You've been in a car crash and it wasn't your fault. Now you're getting phone calls from the other driver's insurance adjuster and they want you to settle the case right away. Why is the adjuster telling you to settle the case right away? Why is the adjuster telling you you don't need to hire an attorney? Hi, I'm Frank Nunez. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Join me as we discuss the answer to these questions. It's true, many times you are involved in a car collision caused by another party's carelessness, and the first person you hear from is the careless driver's insurance adjuster. Why is that? Because they're trained and taught to get to the injured victims as quickly as possible so they can get the case settled as quickly as possible for as little as possible. They want to get it settled early before the case drags on, before the full extent of the harms and losses caused by the careless person's action can be fully developed. Case in point, you're struck from behind in a car crash today, your adrenaline's pumping, you feel nothing. You get home, you're great, the next morning you wake up, your back and your neck are killing you. If you had settled that case on the day of the crash, and believe me, I've had clients come who told me that they've been called on the day of the crash by the other party's adjuster to settle the case. If you had settled that collision on the day of the crash, you'd probably settle it for much less. Whereas if you wait a while and see what's going to come of that collision, if anything at all, then you have a better picture of all the harms, all the losses that you suffered as a result of the other party's carelessness. And don't wait too long, because there are time limits for people to bring actions depending on who the person was that caused the harms and losses. The best rule of thumb is to consult with an attorney immediately. Most attorneys offer free consultations, so you've got nothing to lose. They can give you objective advice looking at it with a detached perspective and their training and application to the facts. Well, that's it for why the insurance adjuster is telling you not to hire an attorney. By the way, if you found this information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunez, and thanks for watching.